Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back. And Pepe is very wild and was hitting at 1202. It's been so many days we have been waiting for such a move like this, and it is so good to see Pepe doing amazing stuff. So right now I'm gonna give you some TA, tell you the future of this one. So right before, some few days ago, we had falling wedges here. We had another channel that has been broken out of, and this was the first target that was met, and we kind of actually expect to see another move back up to 1493, and then we will have another technical target that is going to be met. I showed you the monthly time frame, and the monthly time frame has an amazing inverted hammer, so we're very close to go back to that inverted hammer technical target. So basically 1482 is something that I'm actually looking at. We're sitting at 1202, and we are very close to actually go on and meet that technical target at 1482. So we can see that technical target happening. So for some reason I do see that this wick can also be taken out at 1650, but that time will tell. At least we should be looking at 1482. So that's one thing, and that is on the monthly. Now the second thing I want to show you is on the weekly. So the weekly time frame, today's the last day, today is Sunday, and in the next 8 hours we're going to close the weekly candle. If you notice, the weekly is about to make a very nice good bullish closing, because you have the red and then you have the green, and I think that these two are pretty amazing closing in the future coming up, and then we could actually see a move to the upside hopefully down the road. So today, if you do end up closing green like this, do expect the next week to become green, and then from there we will see what really happens, right? So that was another pattern that I think I want to show you on the weekly. So we covered the monthly, we covered the weekly, and now let's cover the daily time frame, and let's go back into daily and check what is going on. So for some few days, the candles are so beautiful on Pepe. So you have you had this first 3 white soldiers, which was continuation, and then you continued with another 3 white soldiers. So based on this information of 3 white soldiers, I can definitely tell you that Pepe is bound to go back up again above 1268. So you're still going to see Pepe moving above 1268. So the weekly time frame is about to have an amazing closing. The daily time frame has 3 white soldiers, and this is still very bullish. And yes, we took an entry very early. I think it was at like 1090 or something like that. Okay, so 1 hour time frame, I think this is the last piece of information that I want to give you, has broken out of a pattern. And if we try to bring in our support here, resistances here, this is another pattern that you're breaking out of, and you also have this downtrend that you've broken out as well. So to me, it looks like a very perfect recipe to just go back all the way to 1471, which is very close to 1500 level. So I'm going to take the top to bottom here, place it like that, and yes, you can see this target pretty much takes you 1471. So every single time frame is really pointing to 1471. And that's it for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Love.